welcome to my garage. Today we're going to do a bit of a side pipe upgrade. The side pipes that are supplied by Superformance for these cars are for 350 Chevy or later model LS motors that produce around the 300-400 horsepower mark. As you know, we've got an LS9 in here. We expect to be making around the 800 horsepower. So we need to change the side pipes out to let it breathe a bit better, and let me show you the upgrade we're going to be doing. This is the pipe we took off. It's very nicely made and everything, but the diameter we have here would be a little restrictive for this engine. So we made up these 304 stainless. We've gone to like a 3.5 inch diameter, and that should take care of all the breathing that the engine needs. We're going to go with a brushed look, and we cut these tailpipes off the original ones, and we're going to keep them. They look really nice, and we're going to polish them up. So we're going to go with a two-tone brushed look side pipe and polished tip, which I think is going to look really good. So yeah, let's get to work. Right, what we did, we welded the V-clamp, put the O2 sensor bung in, put it back on the car, and we're just having a look, see what it looks like. It looks absolutely gorgeous. We're going to weld the resonator quickly, and let's see. So here's the resonator with a 90 degree, the O2 sensor bung is put on, and we'll just weld this quickly, and then we can do the tailpipe on the mountain. Okay, so we welded the resonator, and we put the O2 sensor on. We've just fitted the tail piece just to look at it. It looks like everything wants to fit, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I think that's the exhaust, 100%.